So, syempre, alas 10 na nung dumating ako. So, medyo madilim, obviously, yung kwarto. But I'll give you uh, a view of what it looks like kapag ka-araw. So, pagpasok mo, ito yung hallway. And then, what's unique about W Hotels is very trendy and modern yung decor sa loob ng room. So, to your left is a full-length mirror. And it says, "I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster." Tapos, to your right is the bathroom. So, ito siya. Oh, di ba? Pag binuksan mo yung pinto, it automatically opens up the toilet. And if I'm not mistaken, this has got a bidet. I could be wrong. Kasi wala akong nakikitang ano eh. Yeah, hindi siguro. Kasi wala akong nakikitang remote sa gilid eh. Japanese toilet nga siya. Ito yung remote niya. Hindi ko lang napansin kahapon when I did the room tour. And then this is yung shower area. The less you the less you reveal, the more people wonder. Okay. Of course, you've got nandito yung pala yung yung usual na amenities sa banyo. And of course, it's got the bathtub. Tapos pang scrub. And I think this is bath salts. Yes, bath salts. Okay. And ito yung vanity niya. So again, you've got several amenities here. Shaving kit, nail kit and shower cap, dental kit, mouthwash, soap. Then this is cleansing cream, it says. Face wash. Probably won't use that. Medyo sensitive yung face wash ko eh. Body cream. Siyempre, towels, robe, bath mat. And then the reveal, the bedroom. And so I got a king bed here. Napatay ko pala yung ilaw. Yan. Yung TV, tapos merong parang display case dito. There's your water. Yan. Ito yung bag na dala ko, yung luggage ko, tsaka yung bag ko. Of course, you've got your TV that connects with Netflix, Hulu, Viki, YouTube, whatever you want, via Chromecast. Tapos merong ang tawag dito. Akala ko nabubuksan siya. Ano lang pala siya. And then, merong table at saka chair. May stool din doon. And then you've got your mini bar. Ito din ang what's good about W. Yung mini bar nila talagang bar. So you've got your coffee machine, kettle, few bits and bobs here which are chargeable. Hindi siya complimentary. And then meron siyang shaker to make your own cocktail if that's what you want to do. Obviously, these are also hindi complimentary. In here is nothing. What a disappointment. Andito, yung capsules ng coffee. Then you've got yung they really like their black stuff. And so you've got your tea, your sugar, may stirrer din, yung cups mo, if that's what you want to do. And then you got your fridge. Naalala ko, dati sinasabi sa akin nung bata pa ako na pag kinain mo yung pagkain sa minibar, mamumulubi yung pamilya mo kasi sobrang mahal. And I've always remembered that. Ayan. Ang cool ng wall decor nila, diba? Yung stylings niya. Yeah, but this is the room. Because my husband works for the Marriott Group, maraming staff, right? So, I'm actually only paying 200 Australian dollars a night for this room. Pero usually, rooms like this are at least $500 a night. So kung wala akong staff, right, to be honest, I would never book hotels like this. Kasi, syempre, mahal. There are plenty others that are cheaper. Pero kasi yung weekend na to, mababa yung occupancy ng hotel, so ang baba rin ng rate nila. Decided, kasi originally nag-book ako sa Marriott Docklands except never stayed at that hotel. I've stayed in this hotel before, but I've never stayed at that hotel, so I was thinking I was gonna book there. Pero nung chinek ko, mas mura dito, which was shocking to me. Kaya, syempre, dito na ako nag-book. Parang no-brainer naman yun. Okay, well, it's 10 p.m. It's 10:02 actually, according to the TV. So, magpapahinga na ako. I'll refresh and I'll sleep. Kasi bukas, meron akong Klook tour na binook. See you tomorrow. I almost forgot to show you guys. Baba ko kayo dito sa para yan. I almost forgot to show you guys. Itong pillar na to is not useless. Because this is actually the wardrobe. So, andyan yung extra robe. They've got pillows. Merong memory foam pillow kung yun yung ma-strip mo. And then you've got shelves here for you to use. Nandito yung hair dryer nila. This feels different. Bakit ibang class? Sorry, steamer pala to, hindi hair dryer. So kung meron kang damit na kailangan mong steam para mawala yung mga lukot. And then nandito yung lalagyan ng laundry. They've got slippers dito. Although, I have to say I'm disappointed by the slippers. Kasi, yung W sa Osaka and yung W sa Sydney, black yung slippers niya. At may nakalagay actually na W dun sa slippers. Embroidered, hindi siya basta lang. So, yeah, that's a little disappointing. I'll show you guys na sa bahay pa yung slippers ng W Osaka. I'll show you guys when I get home. Lalagay ko yung clip dito somewhere sa video. But yeah, this is the wardrobe. So, dyan ko ilalagay. I'll get my handbag off of there. And then dito ko ilalagay yung luggage. Yan. And so that leaves a lot of space in the room na hindi kailangan i-consume ng luggage ko. Okay. Good night na talaga. Na pwede naman talagang inumin ang tubig dito sa Australia na sa regular tap, but they've actually got here one that's specific for, I guess this is filtered, kaya ganyan. Filtered water tap, ayun nga, nakalagay. So, nasa level 14 yung kanilang indoor pool. And when you walk in, okay, so, and may signage naman dito. Yung water closet or yung toilets ay nasa left. Tapos yung gym ay nasa right. Merong cafe, bar dito. At saka may mga sitting areas. Now, it's 7 a.m. pero ang dilim pa. I mean, you're supposed to see the outside. Pero madilim pa. Kasi autumn na. Okay, now, ito yung pool area. So, 25 meters yata tong pool na to. May mababaw, tas palalim. Cute na itong mga ganito. Tapos syempre, pag nandito ka at gusto mong mag-order dun sa cafe bar, scan mo lang yung QR code para makita yung menu tapos makaka-order ka na. And pwede kang magbayad right away or pwede mo rin siyang i-charge sa room mo para pag checkout mo, nandun lahat yung bayarin. Pag dumiretso ka naman dito, di ba may signage ng gym? So, ayan na siya. Ingat kayo kasi automatic yung pinto. Muntik na akong matamaan kanina. So, you just tap your card here and it opens. Merong hot towel, water dispenser. Dito mo ilalagay yung nagamit mo na towel. May earphones kung kailangan mo. Towels. Lockers. May TV para manood ka kung trip mo yung ganyan. And then, daming machines in fairness. Makakapag full body workout ka dito. Okay. So, nakapagtimpla na ako ng kape. I went down dun sa restaurant para mag-inquire about breakfast. Pucha, $52 for breakfast. Tapos, sabi ko, sige, tingnan ko muna kasi, worth it ba yung $52? I don't normally have breakfast sa hotels when I'm in Melbourne kasi ang daming okay na cafes dito. Kaso, as I'm filming this, it's actually Good Friday. So, maraming establishments ang closed in observance of Good Friday. So, sabi ko, sige, mag-breakfast siguro ako sa hotel. Kasi meron akong dalang discount document dahil nga si Mr. ay taga Marriott. Pero hindi pala siya pwede kapag hindi mo siya kasama. Solo travel ako this time around. So, I was meant to pay the whole $52. So, sabi ko, baka naman worth it. So, pumasok ako doon sa, hindi na ako nag-video doon sa loob. Kasi parang sabi ko, okay, never mind. It's not worth $52. Magpupunta na lang ako sa Hungry Jack's mamaya-maya pagkatapos kong mag-journal and then tsaka ako magbe-breakfast. So, yun lang. Anyways, so I like to start my day. Kung hindi ako nag-workout this morning, I would probably have started my day with just journaling. Kasi usually, pag nasa Sydney ako, yung gym ko, nag-attend ako sa hapon kasi nandun yung classes after work. Pero, since nandito ako sa Melbourne and I couldn't sleep in. Usually, kasi talaga nagigising ako ng 6 a.m. So, kahit weekend, kahit nakabakasyon ako, ganun pa rin yung body clock ko, 6 a.m. So, I thought, I might as well go to the gym. since gising na ako. And breakfast doesn't start until 6:30 yata or 7. So, I came down to the gym and then I came down to the restaurant just to check kung pwede nga yung discount. And what's on... Actually, nakakain ako dito before ng breakfast. Kasama ko yung mister ko. And pagkakasama kasi yung staff, $15 lang yung breakfast. Imagine, $15 versus 52. Eh di syempre, hindi na ako umalma. Okay? But anyway, I'll do a little bit of journaling for now and then I'll catch you. Siguro tatapusin ko yung part na to ng vlog dito, which is all about the hotel. And then I'll start over with breakfast outside.